Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to modify your history file or get your history file ready for WinHunter to read it. Sometimes WinHunter does pick it up depending on the format, but sometimes you need to fix the file. I think that in a later version, hopefully we can get it to work that it picks up the file and reads it properly. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so basically, if you look at your WinHunter history folder where WinHunter is installed, there is a few example files or previous histories from different places. If you look at the Singapore history, you can see there's there you go, five numbers drawn or six numbers drawn of a 1 to 45 lotto with a bonus ball. And then if we go look at one of the other ones, let's look at this Florida Lotto file. You can machine 1, draw 1, and then 6, 1 to 6, and then 1 of 53. So that's just different formats you can have a look at. So what we can do is find one that is similar to the numbers or the lotto that you are trying to predict. Okay, so for my example today, what I've done is I've taken two files, a Powerball lotto and a normal lotto with or two bonus or supplementary balls from an Australian lottery. But we can, if you let me know, we can try to do one with a US state lottery as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, firstly, let's go edit our Powerball lottery file. This is the format it is when it's downloaded. It is CSV format, and then you got your different things. Okay, now also to note, especially if you're using the Australian Powerball, and I'm sure with other lotteries, where over the history it changed. Like for example, this lottery, you got 1 to 5, and then the sixth ball is blank, and then you had a Powerball. And then at a later stage, it became 6 numbers drawn. Now, WinHunter won't pick up that funny symbol that needs a number. So what I normally do is go and see where it changed. And then you can see there it changed from 6 to 5, from 5 to 6. And I will just remove that history from the file. That way, WinHunter won't give me any errors or crash. So let's go ahead and just remove that old history. I'm also using Notepad++, but you can use Notepad or any text editor. Okay, so let's go there, delete that. Okay, so now we start. Now you can also see the lotto increases. So we're going to need a reverse lottery. So basically, we want the newest number on top, and the history one at the bottom. Okay, so let's go there. I've already got one converted, so I will go to that one and show you guys. Okay, so we basically got that means your draw number reverse, because it's basically going to be went through reverse drawings. We got a date, which is a date placeholder. Then we got machine 1, draw 1, and then machine 1, draw 2. The M1 is for the first machine. D1 and D2 and D3 is the position or the order the balls were drawn in. This one goes all the way to D6, which means there's 6 balls drawn. And next to each one, you got a 1 of 40, which means the ball range goes from 1 to 40. In a 1 to 45 lotto, you just change it to 45 or 69 or whatever it is. For the bonus ball, you got a G2 draw 1. So basically, the machine is a grand ball machine, and then D1, which means the first draw. There's only one draw, so there's only one machine. and it's a 1 to 20, so it can choose between 1 and 20. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that and paste it in my CSV file, and then delete the previous heading in that file, and save it. Now, WinHunter also doesn't read CSV files, so what I normally do is I just rename that CSV to text. WinHunter will read it. Hopefully later we can try release one that will pick up the CSV, so you don't have to rename the file. Okay, so let's go to that history folder. Let's just close that file, and then let's just rename that to text. Okay, there we go. Also for you guys to know, also for a lottery that's got a supplementary or 2 supplementary balls like this one, which basically got 6 numbers drawn and then 2 supplementary or bonus numbers. This is a 1 to 45 lotto. So what we'll do there is we basically also have the reverse. You normally got your machine 1 to from the machine 1 to draw 1 to draw 6. You got a 1 to 45 on each one, and then you got your bonus ball, which is B2, and then you got draw 1, draw 2, and that's also 1 to 45. And then WinHunter will know how to draw that. Once that's done, you can go into WinHunter, open your history, and if I go to my history files, open Powerball, and there you go. Now your history file is loaded. You can see this is a Mega Powerball machine. If I go and load my other history, let's say my supplementary history, you'll see it's a bonus machine. Okay, great. Well, hope that helps. If there's any comments, please write any comments at the bottom of the video, and I'll try to see if we can respond and help you. Thank you. Cheers, bye.